What are corporate bonds? Corporate bonds are loans that investors make to companies which pay interest in return and promise to repay the money on a set date. When a business needs to raise money, instead of borrowing from a bank, it can issue bonds to investors who become its lenders. In exchange, the company pays regular interest, called the coupon, until the bond matures. Corporate bonds are different from government bonds, which are loans to a government and are usually safer because a company is generally more likely to run into trouble than a stable government. Why does it matter? Corporate bonds matter because they offer higher interest than the safest government bonds, rewarding investors for taking a little more risk. A company must pay more to borrow than a rock-solid government, so its bonds tend to pay more generous coupons, which can appeal to investors seeking income. This extra income is a big part of why income-focused investors hold them. They also sit in a useful middle ground on the risk scale. Imagine an investor who finds government bonds too dull but shares too volatile. Corporate bonds from strong companies can offer steadier returns than shares with more income than government bonds, a balance that suits many cautious portfolios. They give companies a vital way to raise money too, which keeps the wider economy turning. By lending to businesses through their bonds, investors help fund expansion, projects and jobs, while earning a return. In effect, buying a corporate bond makes you a small-scale lender to big business, connecting your savings with the companies that put them to work. Here's a simple example. Imagine a company issues a £1,000 bond paying 5% interest a year for 7 years. Each year you receive £50 in interest, and at the end you get your £1,000 back as long as the company stays solvent. Over the 7 years, that is £350 in interest plus your original money. Compare that with a government bond paying just 3%. The company bond pays £50 a year against the government's £30, an extra £20 for the same £1,000. That higher payment is your reward for taking on the greater risk that the company, unlike the government, might fail to repay. Over the full term, that steady premium adds up to a meaningful amount. Now suppose the company hits hard times and cannot pay. Unlike a government bond where repayment is close to certain, you could lose some or all of your money. This is the trade-off at the heart of corporate bonds. More income, but a real chance the borrower defaults. What else should you know? The key risk with corporate bonds is that the company defaults, failing to pay interest or repay your money. To help investors judge this, bonds are given credit ratings from high-quality investment grade down to riskier high yield, or junk, bonds that pay more to compensate for the greater danger. Ratings are only opinions though, and even highly rated companies can occasionally stumble, so higher yield almost always means higher risk. Corporate bonds are also affected by interest rates and can be sold before maturity at a price that moves up and down. When rates rise, existing bond prices tend to fall, and when rates fall, prices rise. For most investors, the sensible way to hold corporate bonds is through a low-cost bond fund, which spreads money across many companies so that one default does not cause serious harm. That way, no single company's failure can seriously dent your overall returns. Bought carefully and diversified, corporate bonds can add income and balance, but they are not the guaranteed safe haven that top government bonds provide. To sum it all up, corporate bonds are loans to companies that pay regular interest and repay your money on a set date, offering higher income than the safest government bonds in return for taking more risk. They sit between government bonds and shares on the risk scale, providing steadier income than shares with more reward than government debt. But companies can default, and credit ratings help gauge that danger. Held through a diversified fund, corporate bonds can add useful income and balance to a portfolio. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description, don't miss out.